Welcome to The Explainer. You know, if you've ever stared at your screen and thought, how in the world are everyday people actually making money online? Well, you're in the exact right place. Today, we're completely demystifying Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'm going to be your guide, and we're taking you step by step from an absolute ground zero beginner to building a fully monetized creator ecosystem. Get ready, because we are breaking down a strategy that could legitimately generate thousands of dollars a month, all by tapping into one of the internet's most overlooked platforms. Okay, let's dive into this. We've got 6 key steps to cover on our roadmap today. The Pinterest opportunity, finding your niche, building your brand, the affiliate setup, creating winning content, and finally, the long game. Let's get right to it. Section 1, the Pinterest opportunity. This is an untapped gold mine. It's so easy to get distracted by all the noise on other social networks, but right now, Pinterest is essentially an untapped gold mine. It's this massive, critically underserved platform that offers honestly one of the greatest opportunities for affiliate marketers heading into 2025 and 2026. Just look at this number, 500 million. We're talking over 500 million monthly active users. That is a staggering scale of opportunity for us. But here's the absolute best part. While that user base is enormous, the creator competition is surprisingly low. There just aren't that many people making high-quality, optimized affiliate content here. The audience is totally primed and waiting, but the supply of targeted content, it just hasn't caught up yet. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the demographic breakdown. Roughly 80% of Pinterest users are women. And hey, this isn't just fun trivia. This is literally the beating heart of your monetization strategy. This predominantly female audience drives incredibly profitable, high-intent niches. We're talking women's hair care, skincare, home decor, wellness, the whole shebang. When you understand exactly who is hanging out on the platform, you can perfectly tailor your product recommendations to an audience that's already itching to hit that buy button. Moving on to section 2, finding your niche. It's all about focus and passion. Before you even think about hitting publish on your first pin, you absolutely have to nail down a unified aesthetic and a dedicated category. Think about it. If someone lands on your page and sees a recipe for carrots, then a tutorial on haircuts, and then a glossy picture of a sports car, they're gonna bounce. It's confusing. You need a laser-focused brand. Why is this so crucial? Well, because Pinterest is what we call a high-intent platform. People aren't just mindlessly scrolling or looking at memes here. They're actively hunting for inspiration, seeking solutions to their specific problems, or looking for products to buy right now. But here's the kicker. Building an audience does take time, so you've got to choose a niche you actually care about. Whether it's candle making, vintage fashion, or healthy cooking, picking a true passion ensures you'll stick with it even when the going gets a little slow. Section 3, building your brand. Let's look at the Wyoming Naturals case study. To make this super tangible for us, let's use a Trojan horse example to carry us through the rest of this explainer. Let's say we're starting a hypothetical women's supplement and natural hair care brand, and we're calling it Wyoming Naturals. Now, to actually make Wyoming Naturals work, you can't just live on Pinterest. You have to build a professional home base, a real media website. Why? Because the big affiliate programs like Amazon Associates will flat out reject your application if you don't look legit. Luckily, spinning up a site with a service like Hostinger is a total breeze these days. You just grab an affordable hosting plan, claim a solid .com or .net domain, which is absolutely crucial for building consumer trust, by the way, and then you literally just type a prompt into their AI website builder. Give it a few minutes to customize, hit publish, and boom, you're a credible, professional brand ready to get approved. All right, section 4, the affiliate setup. This is where we start monetizing your content. Okay, so your professional website is live. This is the fun part. This is where we shift from just making content to actually building a revenue stream. We've got to connect the products we're recommending to the systems that actually pay us. And you've got a whole ecosystem of affiliate networks to choose from based on your niche. Obviously, Amazon Associates is the giant in the room. They have a massive product selection and pay anywhere from 1 to 10% in commissions. Plus, and this is huge, you earn a commission on anything that user buys within 24 hours of clicking your link. But hey, don't just stop at Amazon. You've got platforms like Impact.com, which hook you up with thousands of major brands like Adidas and Nike. Or if you're in the software and tech space, PartnerStack is an absolutely fantastic option. And this brilliantly illustrates the sheer beauty of the affiliate marketing model. Let's go back to Wyoming Naturals. Say you're promoting a rosemary hair growth oil. Your only job as the creator is to make a scroll-stopping pin and maybe write a helpful blog post. That's it. Amazon literally handles everything else. They deal with the inventory, packing the boxes, shipping it out, customer service, making the actual sale. Just for directing that high-intent traffic, you might pocket a 3% commission on that product. You get paid, and you never even touch a cardboard box. Section 5, creating winning content. Time to make pins that actually convert. So, our money-making infrastructure is locked in. Now, we need the eyeballs, we need traffic. This is where your brand really comes alive. You can jump into free tools like Canva to design gorgeous static images, or use AI platforms like VideoGen to whip up short-form videos in seconds. So the crucial point is how you connect those beautiful pins to your affiliate products. And listen to me here. There is a right way and a very wrong way to do this. The wrong way? Spamming direct Amazon affiliate links straight onto your Pinterest pins. Do not do this. Pinterest absolutely hates it. It looks suspicious, and your account will likely get flagged as spam. The right way is to link your pin directly to a high-quality, full-length blog article on your brand new website. Then, you embed your affiliate buy buttons inside that article. It gives massive value to your reader, and it keeps your account completely safe. Okay, grab a pen because here is your exact Week 1 content playbook. To get the ball rolling, you want to sit down and batch create about 20 to 30 pins right out of the gate. But wait, do not post them all at once. Schedule them out. Drip them at a steady pace of 1 to 2 pins a day. If you blast out 100 pins in 24 hours, the algorithm will instantly trip those spam flags. Also, remember that Pinterest acts a lot like a visual search engine, so you want to use heavy keyword stuffing in your pin titles and descriptions. Use the exact phrases your audience is actively searching for. And lastly, always tag relevant topics, like natural hair care for Wyoming naturals, so Pinterest knows exactly who to serve your content to. Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 6, the long game, managing our expectations. We've talked tactics, we've talked scaling, but honestly, we need a bit of a reality check right now. Look at this quote directly from our source material. The truth is that this takes a long time. Sometimes this can take multiple months to see your first $1 or $100. That is the unvarnished truth right there. The absolute biggest killer of affiliate marketing dreams is shiny object syndrome. You know how it goes. You get super fired up for a week, you don't instantly become a millionaire, so you give up and chase the next big trend. You have to treat this as a multi-month grind. Remember, you are building a real media asset here, a digital property. It just takes time for the algorithm to trust you and for that traffic to really start snowballing. Which leaves us with the ultimate question. You've got the complete step-by-step roadmap. You know the demographics, you know how to spin up your site, how to structure those links perfectly, and you even have your exact playbook for Week 1. The opportunity is literally sitting right in front of you. So, what's it gonna be? Are you going to keep mindlessly scrolling, or are you going to pick a niche and start building your own Pinterest empire today? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and honestly, I cannot wait to see what you build.